Operators know that the clean-in-place process, regardless of industry, requires extremely tight measurement and control to avoid costly waste, and more importantly, contamination. Accurate analysis across a wide range of environments, from moderate to high concentrations of acid and caustics to purified rinse water, is key to this challenge. What if you could ensure your costly detergents and caustics are being used efficiently, feel confident that your measurements are accurate, and make installation, setup, and monitoring quick and simple? Now you can with Emerson's Rosemount contacting and toroidal conductivity sensors that work in concert with the 56 dual-channel transmitter, providing an easy-to-use conductivity sensing system that accurately measures and monitors the clean-in-place process. At the heart of the system, the Rosemount 225 toroidal conductivity sensor. The 225 is an inductive, non-contacting sensor called toroidal because it uses toroidal transformers that are isolated from the process. One toroid acts as an emitter and the other as a receiver. The emitter toroid produces an electric current in the process solution that induces a reduced current in the receiver toroid. The strength of that induced current is directly proportional to the conductivity of the solution. This inductive technology enables accurate measurement across a wide range of environments, from clean water to the highest conductivity fluids. And the Emerson Rosemount 403 contacting conductivity sensor provides quick response and accurate measurement of the flush water. Sensor setup is fast and easy, with the full-color intuitive display and USB data logging capability of the 56 transmitter. This combination of sensors and transmitter means big gains for operators who need to maintain high levels of cleanliness through an effective clean-in-place process, by ensuring quality while minimizing chemical usage, and by preventing contamination while maximizing production. The entire line of Emerson Rosemount's liquid analysis and monitoring products provides the reliable technology you need to continuously and confidently measure, monitor, and control your clean-in-place process.